Choose life. Choose winter. Choose laughing in the teeth of a blizzard while freezing your ass off when the weather sucks. Then getting beef in your belly half an hour after you go inside. Choose chili. Superdooper Fast Chili. Making Superdooper Fast Chili. Step 1. Preparation. For this, you will need 1 large pot, which your ingredients will not leave. Loud music. Ground beef, 2 pounds of. Diced tomatoes, 26 ounces for consumption hot. Chilies, fire roasted, 2 cans of. 1 yellow onion. 4 frozen garlic pods. 1 can of black beans, 1 of kidney, and 1 of pinto. Cumin, chipotle, ancho, flour, salt and pepper, oil, and 1 malty beer, which I've already procured from my supermarket, which is, in its own domestic and socially acceptable way, a drug dispensary. Now I'm ready. Get that meat browning with some oil. Meanwhile, maybe even before you start that part, mix together 2 tablespoons of flour, about a tablespoon each of the ancho and chipotle powders, and another 2 tablespoons or so of cumin. Cumin. Nice fresh cumin. Smells like sweaty socks. Plus salt and pepper. Also, dice your onion. When the beef's done, add your onion and the 4 garlic pods, and God help you if you left those on the counter at all, because once they thaw, there's no way you're getting them out of the blister pack without serious damage. Anyway, I didn't do that. So when the onions are translucent, add your spices. Keep it all moving for a minute or 2, enough to toast the spices and especially toast the flour a little bit. Otherwise, it's going to taste like raw flour. That I've done. Then deglaze the pot with a box of tomatoes and about half your beer. Or beef broth if you already drank your beer. All right, I'm going to stop here and say you don't have to use ground beef. I actually like this a lot better when I use the real chunks of meat, but that takes a lot longer. If you go that route and you use chunks of meat, right here set your clock for about 3 hours, because that's how long it's going to take to simmer before you dump everything else in. Anyway, going back to the ground beef version, at this point you throw everything in there. Your beans, your chilies, and about half a diced yellow bell pepper. That I forgot to mention at the top. Stir it all up, cook it another 10 minutes or so, and you're ready to go. Or tastes a little bit better the longer you simmer it, but don't simmer it more than half an hour or 45 minutes because the canned beans are just going to fall apart into mush. And that's it. You're done. Eat it. And while you're eating it, check out this new channel called Cooking is Amazing. Great guy, a lot of fun. I enjoy his channel a lot, so check it out and tell him this bastard sent you. That's it. Hope you enjoy this. Stay warm, everybody. Cheers.